Hello and Namaskar everyone. Today in this video lesson we are going to see from question number 3 onwards. So question number 3, page number 60. Open page number 60, question number 3. Rewrite the sentences by replacing the underlined word with pronouns. One has been done for you. Here what we have to do is we have to rewrite the sentence and we have to replace the underlined word, that is with pronouns. Suppose Mark is given. Mark has got a book for Carol. Okay. So Mark is the name of boy. So they had written he. As you can see, instead of Mark they had written he. Instead of Carol they had written her. Now let's see the second one. Are Hari and Ravi coming? So for two persons we use the, them or they. So I have written are they coming? Question mark. Now come to the C1. Can you and John help the children? So what we will write? Can you help them? Instead of children I had written them. Now come to D1. You and I. Wherever, as I explained you earlier in my video, whenever the sentence include myself, what do we write? Yes, we write we. We write we. W-E. We. We have got a nice gift for him. You and I have got a nice gift for Ted. Instead of Ted I had written he, and instead of you and I had written we. As it include myself, here I denotes what? Myself. So we have got a nice gift for Ted. Instead of Ted I had written him here, as it's a name of boy. Now let's see the E1. Here is a letter for Nancy and her sister. So we will write here is a letter for them, as it does not include I. So it does not denote myself. So I had written them. Now come to F1. The telephone is ringing. Answer the telephone. For things we use it. So we have to change this word and we have to write it instead of it. So the telephone is ringing. Answer it. Now let's see remember portion. Remember, Jack likes Mary. So what we will write? He likes her. We use he for boy and her and she for girl. Then Mary likes Jack. She like him. We use he and him for boys. My friend and I play football. We play football. Sam wants to join the team. So here is the answer. Sam wants to join us. Now the boy met the girls. The boys met the girls. They met them. This is the portion which we need to remember. So read it at least 2 times so that you can understand that for boys we use he and him, and for girls we use she and her. We for the person in which we include ourselves for myself. Alright, and then us, and then they and them for the group of people which we need to introduce. Now come to page number 61. In page number 61 we are going to do question number 4 and 5. So let's see question number 4 first. Fill in the blanks with he, she, it, we or they. We have to fill in the blanks with these words: he, she, it, we and they. So the first one is, as we use he for men's, she for women's and girls, and it for non-living things and animals, and we for, we include what? In which we include ourselves, myself, and they is for when we are saying that they are going somewhere. They denotes the person to whom we are talking about. They denotes the person जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं. Alright, so let's see the first one. Where is Mr. David going? Mr. David is the name of man. It's the name of man. So we will write he. He is going to the market. Now, are Andy and you in the same school? So we will say yes, we are. Then C1 is your mother at home? Mother is a woman, and mother is a woman and she's a girl. So we will write yes, she is. Then, does your sister like her new car? No, she does not like it. As we are talking about car, so we will write it. Then come to E1. Where are grandma and grandpa going? So we will write they are going to the park. As we are talking about grandma and grandpa, it does not include ourself, myself. यहाँ पे I का use नहीं हुआ है. That's why we will write they. As we are talking about themselves, so we will write they are going to the park. Now come to fifth question. Filling the blanks with him, her, me, them or us. First question is, it is Ben's football. Why don't you give it to him? Here we are talking about Ben's football. So what we will write? Him. Alright, as he is a boy. So the next one is, and it's showing position. फुटबॉल किसका है? Ben का है. Now come to B1. I have lost my book. Please help me to find it. Please help me to find it. मेरी बुक खो गई है तो मेरी हेल्प करो उसको फाइंड करने में. My to me. Let's see the next one. C1. Candy like chocolates. Why don't you give her the whole box? Here we are talking about Cindy. And Cindy is name of girl. So we had written her. Now come to D1. Have you seen the students of class 3? The teacher is looking for them. Here we are talking about students and they are more than one as it includes S. So we will write them. हम उनके बारे में बात करें तो हम they और them से denote करते हैं उनको. That's why we are writing them here over here. Now let's see the E1. Betty and I met a famous actor once. He gave us an autograph as well. अब यहाँ पे I include हो रहा है. इसका मतलब है माई सेल्फ ओवर सेल्फ वाला फंडामेंटल यूज होगा यहाँ पे. देन व्हाट वी विल राइट? बेंडी एंड आई. एक तो वी यूज हो सकता है और एक अस यूज हो सकता है. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी हैड रिटन अस ओवर हियर. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 इज अ पेयर एक्टिविटी. वर्क इन पेयर. पिक एनी नेम ऑफ अ पर्सन और अ ग्रुप ऑफ पर्सन यूज्ड इन द चैप्टर. इन दिस चैप्टर Your partner will repeat the name by replacing it with a subject pronoun. You will then say the reflexive pronoun and follow the example. Dear kids, as it's a pair activity, this activity we are going to do in class. So tick and write it down, class, over there. When the school will open, we are going to do this activity at our classroom. So dear kids, our chapter number 14, pronoun chapter, is over. If you face any of the difficulty or problem in solving this chapter or it's the chapter's exercise, feel free to ask me. Don't hesitate. I'm there to help you all. So bye, take care and thank you.